So how many of you keep diaries? Okay. What do you write about? What do you write in your diaries? Why do you keep a diary?
Oh my god, I want.
Can we have a mic that's passed around? Just you want to say? You guys raise your hands, right? Would you like to say why you keep a diary? Or what you write about?
Yeah, I want to say, do I keep a diary? I write about. I write about my daily problems in school and how I could make it better in my diary, or how I could solve it.
Okay. So have you ever shared your diary with anybody?
No, it's personal, so I don't tell anybody what's in my diary.
Uh-huh. Anyone else? Yeah. Can you just pass the mic around, please? Oh, sure. Please.
I see my diary as a place to vent my feelings, and seeing it all on paper, it makes it all the more clear.
Okay, that's a great reason to write. Even if you don't have an audience, even if you're sure that your work is not going to be read by anybody, just to put it down on paper clears so much up there in your head. Yeah.
I write a diary during some very special holiday which I go for. So throughout my life I can never forget what happened. Even if I forget any minor detail, once I go through it and something funny happened at that point. So even when I go through it I can sort of remember what happened at that point.
Great.
I write a diary about all the good things that happened in my life.
Only the good things?
Yes, only the good things that happened.
Why is that?
I don't want to keep track of the bad memories.
Okay.
Just wanted to keep the good memories, like when I bought the cycle. I just wrote the details of it and when I bought it. Just like when I got the exam paper and did well, and so it came like that.
You're really wise for your age, I must say. Anyone else? Anybody else keeps a diary? Or do any of you write? What do you write about?
Oh, I write about different stories, and same as Mile, I can't finish them. Okay.
We'll see how she deals with
I
that.
just keep writing and I can't end them.
Okay.
They're like about different good things which happen to people and fun things and all that I've done in my life based on that.
Okay. Anybody else? Yeah.
I'm writing a book to be published. It's not yet over. I'm writing the 3rd chapter. I'm planning the title of the book's Secrets Are Not Meant to Be Kept. Yeah, I won't tell you the rest. It's secret. I'm not supposed to tell you.
That's great actually. You should keep at it and make sure that you finish your book. And you have publishers, all around you, so be careful. Anybody else? Yeah?
I write horror.
Horror? Okay. So what, short stories or novels? What do you write?
I write poems, I write short story. I was actually writing a book with my friend.
Okay, that's cool. So how do you guys do it? Do you go back and forth or how do you do it?
I know we write together. I mean, like, it's about Egypt, so I'm like, I know about a lot about Egypt, so she just asked me to help her, and we both read.
Okay.
We actually wrote a book about the mystery. It's called Unknown Zone. It turned out pretty good, but then we weren't really eager to show it out. We wrote as a team, and what we did was we put up our ideas and we acted it out, so it's pretty good. So we tried it when whatever wasn't good, we tried to act it out again. So it came out pretty nice.
That's actually, one of the best things you can do as a writer, to keep working at your writing and to be willing to make edits to your work. So keep that up.
So so all of you have come up with different kinds of responses. Some of us want to write things that happened to us that we want to remember, like a cycle, or when we bought them. Some of us want to write things like it's where we went out, and to make things clearer for us. So we all have different reasons, and mine has lots of things that she writes about for different reasons, like all the things that you said, different things. So we'll have, what you're going to hear now is, you're going to have another peek into Miles' diary, and hopefully it will resonate with you and you'll have things to say and